In this video tutorial, I will demonstrate how to sew two pieces of fabric together with a decorative Palestrina stitch. Start by pinning and basting your pieces together. Make a knot and hide it in the fold. Then, make a stitch that will hold both pieces of fabric together. Now, pass your needle under the stitch you just made and place it for the second time under the same stitch. This movement will create a nice decorative knot on the top. Repeat the sequence to make the next stitch. After the entire seam is secured, make an anchoring stitch and hide the end of the thread inside the fold. Cut the thread and remove the basting. Palestrina stitch will hold two pieces of fabric together securely and create a decorative edge.